Hey guys, welcome to this video. Today I am so excited to show you this. I have a little present here from Susie and I am so excited to open it. It is a collector's item mini travel nail set. So we have some gorgeous goodies inside. I'm going to get straight into it. As you can see, the packaging is gorgeous. It has this blue and white and little gold flowers, absolutely stunning. I'm going to keep this box. Their boxes are always gorgeous anyways, even their usual boxes for their nail drills and their e-files and all that stuff. I've bought Susie since the start of my nail journey, so I absolutely love them. Can't wait to get into this one. It feels like a little early Christmas present. So just to let you know, this came in as well. It's their little card with their their QR code, and their socials are all there. And they also included these stickers. So they included that with their nail drill as well, and they are so cute. They have the little Susie icons everywhere, and you can use them to stick on your lamp or whatever you want to use them. I put my last ones on my little sticker album, just on the cover of it, just to jazz it up a bit. So going to start off now. It has a kind of a little magnet there, so you just kind of click it open, and I'm going to see what's inside. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, so starting off, we have this little cover plastic here. So I'm just going to take that off. And then we have this little bag. So this can be used, I guess, as a travel bag. Or if you are a nail tech that takes clients at home like myself, I am going to find a use for this. I don't know what yet, but I will find a use. Maybe you could put brushes in it, or you could put some nail art pieces, or you could, oh yeah, you can see inside it has little pockets. This is so cute. I love the little glitter. And let's open up here. Oh my god. Okay, so first off, the aesthetic of it is just absolutely gorgeous. So this is a lamp, I believe. And you can see it has that limited edition print everywhere. So this is one of those little LED lamps that is, you know, would be great for Gel X or just flash curing. And let me see, is it charged? Well, this is, hold on. Oh, it does have a bit of charge in it. So I guess you just put your, yeah, see. So if you're doing Gel X, or if you are doing like just a bit of nail art and you just want to flash cure. So that's staying on there. So I guess it must stay on for maybe 30 seconds or something like that. And then when you're finished, you can just pop it closed. This is so cute. Like, and look at it. It can fit in your hand. So like you could have that on the side of your nail desk for just little nail art bits. If you're doing clients, you can just have it there handy. It doesn't take up too much space. And next up we have an e-file. One of their portable slim e-files, and it is rechargeable. You can see here, you pop in the USB there. So I'm just going to power it on. Let me see. Yeah, there it comes on there now. So this is the real slimline one. As you can see, it's like a pen, and I'm just going to turn it up to the max. So it goes up to 30 RPMs, and there's no vibration there at all. I can't feel any vibration. Just, can you hear it? Okay, I'm going to turn that down. Just to let you know, I do have a discount code from Susie, and it is nails12. So capital NAILS and the number 12, and it will give you 12% off their website. Okay, next up, these are some polishes. I've never tried the polishes from Susie. So this is P04, it looks like kind of an off-white. And this is P11, which looks like a little pink. So I am going to swatch these for you guys. But these little bottles, they're 15 mils. You can just see there. So they have a good amount in them. And again, they just match that whole aesthetic. This would be such a good gift if you know someone who's into nails, or a nail tech, or if you have someone who just loves doing their DIY nails at home. This is just perfect. Okay, let's see. Is there anything else underneath? Ooh. Okay. So I'm just throwing everything on the ground here. So we have our warranty information. We have our instruction manual for our mini nail dryer. Okay, so that's their nail polish curing lamp. And it has all the instructions here. So you can go through that yourself, but it's how to use. So yeah, it says press on off button to power on the device. Put your finger in the finger placement. Okay, so it will automatically turn on for 60 seconds. So it's a 60 seconds cure there. And then press on off button to turn the device down, or lay down the lampshade to auto turn off the light. So it's fairly straightforward. I think you could figure it out pretty quickly just from picking it up, but there you go, there's your instructions there, and of course your warranty information there. And we also have, oh, we have 2 chargers. So we have one for the, that's really good, we've one for the lamp and one for the nail drill. So that's really handy to have the 2 of them. And they're just the USB chargers, so they'll plug into any plug or any USB charging cable. And next we have my favorite. We have these mini sanding bands, so they go on the mini mandrel bit. And I got these as well with my previous nail drill, and I use them all up on my clients, and they are perfect. They're 240 grit, so nice and easy for the natural nail, just to do your prep with the natural nail with these guys. And then we have more bits. Now I love the Melody Susie bits. They have really good quality bits, so they don't just send you the kind of bog standard bits that we get with all our e-files. They actually send you some good removal bits. So this one here is really good. I've been using that on my clients. I got it with their previous nail drill that they sent me, the one for their anniversary, and I've been using this ever since and I love it. So I am so happy to have another one of these. Now I have a replacement one, and we have our mini mandrel bit there, and then we have some prep bits here. So we have a little ball bit and we have some cone bits, and they're all for prep for the natural nail. And yeah, and then we have this little wipe. Okay, so this is, I guess this is just for cleaning, maybe cleaning the surfaces of your nail lamp and stuff like that. But it's just one of those microfiber ones, so that is handy. I haven't seen one of those in a drill bit pack before. Okay, so I'm just going to get rid of these now, and I am going to swatch those gel polish colours for you guys. But I just want to say really quick, thanks so much to Melody Susie for sending me this. I'm so happy and so glad that they sent it to me, and I love their products. I always have said that from the start. I've used their drills since I started doing nails, and I had my Melody Susie Scarlet that I loved for about 3 years, and I loved it so much. So yeah, I really recommend their products, and I'll leave the discount code in the description box.
Coverage in one coat for that white is unbelievable. Like, that's really good coverage. It's a bit of an off-white, it's definitely not too white with the, you know, bright blue kind of undertones. This is an off-white for sure. It's definitely.
Now this one is our P11. Oh, this is a shimmer. Oh my god, that is surprising. I didn't think there'd be a shimmer in it because the little sticker was just, oh, maybe there is a shimmer in the sticker, but it looked really plain to me. It just looked like a French kind of a base. And again, coverage, oh my god, this one is gorgeous. This is my type of pink. Again, one coat. Like, because the top arch of these swatch sticks here up here are Dodge anyways. They always get a bit of shading up there. It's just the way the swatch stick falls. But if you can see, can you see the bit of shimmer? It's hard to pick up on camera, maybe there, but there is a gorgeous shimmer in it. Absolutely gorge. Bring up the white. But wow, I'm so impressed with these polishes. My favourite thing about nails, if there's one thing I couldn't live without, is just gel polish in general. I could give up every like bit of nail art, I could give up glitter, I could give up everything, but I am addicted to gel polish and trying gels. Okay guys, so this is 2 coats of that. It's perfect. Are the 2 colours. That's the pink with 2 coats. I hope you can see there, but that's how gorgeous they are. I absolutely love them. So guys, here's a little overview of everything that came in this box. It is so gorgeous, perfect little gift box for yourself or someone. If you want to get someone a little present, I would highly recommend. You have your e-file, you have your little flash lamp, which is so aesthetically pleasing. It comes with this gorgeous gift box, and you have these polishes, really good drill bits, a little travel case, and I did forget to show you this thing. This is a little glass file. I passed that by somehow and I just noticed it at the very end. It comes with its own little case to pop it in, so I really do think this box is amazing, and I will leave that link or the discount code in my description box. And thank you so much for watching if you made it this far, and I will see you in the next one. Have a great Christmas and a happy new year.